Hello everyone, welcome back to Nail Art by Nessa. I am Vanessa and this is another AliExpress nail haul video. And as you can see, I have two packages here to open. I was actually just planning on opening this one because it is quite a large package, but I received this package this morning and I need the product that's in this package. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one as well. And I need it so I can redo my nails. As you can see, it's been about 3 weeks since I last did my nails, and though they still look pretty good, I only have a little bit of chipping, but I have a lot of regrowth. So it is definitely time to redo my nails. So let's get started and open these packages. So let's start with this smaller package. So this one I ordered March 29th. It arrived April 22nd. And I ordered this one from the Venalisa official store on AliExpress. And I actually purchased these separately. So we're gonna look at this first. So I got a top coat, a non-wipe top coat, and a matte top coat. And these ones I paid $5.66, including shipping in Canadian dollars. So they were only $2.89 each, which I thought was pretty good, and you get 7.5 milliliters in each bottle. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, and I did buy the matte because I have tried the Born Pretty matte top coat, and you saw that in my movie trivia nails, but I really did not like the Born Pretty matte top coat. So I'm really hoping that I like this one better. So we'll see how it goes. And then I also bought the refills just because they were such a good deal. So I bought the no wipe and the matte, and I paid $13.70 for these. So they were $7.22 each. And I thought that was a really good deal. You get 30 milliliters in each bottle, and they show you here, so it is a refill. So hopefully I don't run out of top coat anytime soon, and hopefully I like this matte top coat a lot better than the Born Pretty. Now let's open the large package. So this one is from the Born Pretty official store on AliExpress. I ordered it back in November, so I ordered it November 23rd. It arrived December 11th, and it cost me $31.34, and I did order 15 items. So I just wanted to compare that to last week's video. I paid $47 and only got 10 items. So I did get a much better price point for these, and I did not have to pay for delivery, which makes a huge difference. So in my last video I paid $17 for delivery, whereas this one it was free. Okay. Just pull these all out here. Okay, so I got all larger bottles this time, except for this one. So this one is a blooming gel. But so I definitely got a lot more for my money this time. And I do definitely prefer these bottles because, as you can see, there's actually a color indicator on them. And then I also bought a chrome powder. I can open it. That Ziploc is really good. Okay. And the chrome powder. So it is a loose powder. Oops. And there it is. So you don't get a lot of product in there. And if I'm not mistaken, I think they sent me a gift. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So yeah, so this is a gift. I did not order this. So we got an extra glitter gel. Let's take a look at that. Oh, shoot. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Try not to do what I just did. Put your thumb in it. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm just gonna clean myself up and then we'll start doing swatches. Okay, let's start swatching our products. I'm going to start with this glitter gel. I'm just giving it a nice stir, and then I'm just going to measure to see how much product is in there. And as you can see, there's actually a decent amount of product. And now I'm going to start painting on the swatch stick. So for each swatch stick, I will paint 2 layers of gel polish, setting each layer in the UV light, and then topping it with a top coat. You will not see me apply the top coat, but once I lay the swatch stick down on the table in front of you, you know it's already got a top coat applied. For each of the polishes that I purchased, I will also display the original image from the website that I purchased it from. Now for the blooming gel, I pre-prepared a nail tip in black, and I'm just going to paint on a nice even layer of the blooming gel on top. Once I've done that, I go ahead and choose out a color, and I go for the light purple, and I'm going to create like a snakeskin pattern. So I just do little dots down the center, and I'm sorry I do go off camera with this, but just little dots down the center, and then going from side to side, putting little dots, and then just letting them expand on their own with the blooming gel. Once I'm happy with that and I've let it expand as much as I want, I go ahead and set it in the UV light and then top coat it and set it again. So here are all of the products that we opened and tested in this video, and I have to say I'm really pleased with these Born Pretty polishes. They have really great coverage. In fact, some of them I only did one coat. So number 3, number 11, and number 34 only have one coat of polish on them, and they're all amazing. I'm really happy with them, and a really awesome price point. Each one of these large bottles only cost me between $2.57 and $2.71 each. So yeah, I mean, you can't beat that price. When I go to the drugstore here to buy a gel polish, it's gonna be about $10 to $15 per bottle, and a lot of the time they're smaller bottles. So these ones are the 10 milliliter size bottles. So just something to be aware of. I'm personally more than willing to wait a month to get my product if I'm paying $3 per bottle. So that works for me. I'm really happy with that. And then plus I got this bonus polish. So thank you Born Pretty for the bonus polish. That was really nice to get that. And then of course I did buy this chrome powder, and unfortunately I did forget to push record when I was testing out the chrome powders. So if you're not sure how to use chrome powders, I do have a whole video where I'm testing out chrome powders. But just quickly, how you do it is you just want to put down a coat of no wipe top coat, set that in the light, and then take your chrome powder. I like to use my finger and then just rub it onto your tip. Just brush off the excess and then coat it in a top coat and set it in the light again, and you get a beautiful chrome effect. And I really do love this color. I think it's really beautiful. And then of course we had the blooming polish, and that one worked out really well, so I'll definitely have to try different looks with that. And of course we did get the top coats and the refills for those. So I was using this top coat and it works really well, that's what I can see. Of course I haven't worn it yet, so it's hard to know how it wears, but I'll definitely be using it in the future. And then for my next video I will be using the matte top coat, so we can test that out. So if you have any questions about anything, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!